to California. Sister, brother.
She's from England. We're not sisters.
Okay. England is a bitch for true.
Yeah.
There is no escape from it. England is a bitch. Welcome to the place, California. California, there's a lot of earthquakes.
Yes.
California.
There are earthquakes. You're right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
a fire. That's a fire
And
starting
fires.
here. So the fireman them get busy every day.
Yes, the fireman get busy.
Yes, that's true, man.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
I'll try it.
Just
Lychee. Oh, good.
Dreadlocks Rasta.
Dreadlocks Rasta.
Fighting on arrival.
Fighting on arrival.
If you know your history, are you willing enough and big enough to ask me, who's the hell do you think I am? I'm just a buffalo
Soldier, buffalo soldier.
Dreadlocks Rasta.
Dreadlocks Rasta. What the fuck?
Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Have you ever wondered why people go to Jamaica most? Because Jamaican people like people a lot. They're going to Jamaica because Jamaican people are welcoming. Watch this video until the end. I'll be back with a few comments.
Okay, so I just got here to Montego Bay, Jamaica, and let me tell you, the way these people talk is so awesome. Yaman, Wagman, like just hearing them talk amongst each other, and to me, we have this taxi driver that's taking us around and just basically treating us like family, and it's so cool to see the culture here already. I've only been here for like an hour, and it's one of the best places I've been.
The best part about being in Jamaica, besides this, which I know is amazing, besides that, okay, besides the food, okay, the food busting, it's flavorful. Every Jamaican swears they're a chef because damn near they are. Besides that, okay, number one thing that makes Jamaica special are the people. The people. Let me sit down. When you go to a bar and you order a drink, do you want to order a drink from someone that's robotic? You order from people that are personable and friendly and funny and kind and make you laugh. There's something special about Jamaicans because it's like they all act like they got an inside joke with you. You just met them and they're already giving you a nickname. They talk to you as if you're family already. Or they're gonna challenge you, they're gonna poke at you, they're gonna make fun of you. But it's all in love, it's all in fun. And there's a million beautiful places in the world with great views, great food, great beaches. But there's not a lot of places in the world that have that. And on top of that, have the possibility, the probability, and the likelihood that you are gonna be laughing your ass off from you wake up in the morning till you go to sleep at night, okay? Everybody has a big personality. They're not shy, they're ready to dance, they live their life to the fullest, they are who they are, they know who they are. And that is the energy that you feel.
It is 7:23 a.m. and I am currently in Jamaica, as you can see. And I know I make a lot of videos, where I'm telling y'all go to Jamaica, it's a vibe, it's this, it's that. But the biggest reason that I need y'all to go to Jamaica is because the people of Jamaica want you here. Jamaica, in my opinion, is a lot different than a lot of other countries that people tend to travel to. Reason being, like I said, the people want you to come here. They want you to love their land. Now, don't get me wrong. Do they want you to spend a little bit? Of course they do. Just like if you had a business, you would want people to come spend with you. But to the people of Jamaica, I don't think it's about making top dollar from the people that travel from wherever they travel from. I truly believe that they want you to come here, experience the land, experience the culture, experience the food, and get whatever premeditated thought you had about Jamaica out of your head. Again, I am Jamaican. My grandmother was born in Clarendon, moved when she was 13. Feel me? Moved to the UK, then came to America and started my family tree. So when I come back home, like, this is legitly like home to me. Like, this is in my blood, it's in my veins. So that's why I come to Jamaica so often, because they want us here. They want us to literally love the land. Again, that's no disrespect to any other country. I've been to plenty other countries and I love them as well. But Jamaica is just like, it's just different. Like, this is home, bro.
What's one place you've traveled to that changed the way you see life?
Probably Jamaica. They're really hard workers there, they're really nice people, but they're so different over there compared to here in Canada, but they're really sweet people.
What's one thing that surprised you most about Jamaica?
A lot of tourism there. All their jobs are tourism in Jamaica.
Did you ever live there?
Honestly, yeah, I like the weather there, so I think I would live in Jamaica.
What's your name and where are you from?
My name is Danica, I'm from Hamilton.